Hi there, I'm Misty Ann, back in my closet, but tonight I want to talk to you about my friend Dionne's closet. Dionne had 4 feet of water in her house after Hurricane Harvey. So she and her husband Ross have just recently been able to move back downstairs in their house to their bedroom. She has a fabulous closet, so I am going to let her show you what she has done and talk about her process. Hey Dionne.
Welcome.
Thank you.
To my closet.
Tell us your concept.
My concept is I'm designed this closet to feature 2 people, myself, my husband, and so what we have here, built-ins. He gets a set, well, this is my set. He gets a set as well, built-ins and adjustable shelving.
Okay, so it's equal here.
Equal here.
Oh, look at you. You're being very generous.
Very generous.
And I love it because the shelves go all the way up. How tall is your ceiling?
I believe these are 10-foot ceilings.
Nice. So I love that use of the space. Okay. So talk to me about what you wanted to do with these.
Well, for my drawers, because I mean, as we women do, we have a plethora of things that we need to put away. So I have lingerie, I have pajamas, I have socks, I have a drawer for panties, I have a drawer for bras, I have a drawer for other unmentionables that just don't fit any of those other categories. But,
okay.
And then the rest of my clothes will be hung and or folded, as you can see. So I've begun moving back into my closet because you know, we're post-Harvey reconstruction, and instead of hanging slacks, I have decided to fold them along with jeans. Now there will be a plethora more, however I'm still going through crates of clothes and we'll see how that
figure out, and you're kind of purging as you go.
Purging as I go as well, because in the year that we've taken to get this far, there's trunks and trunks of slacks, shirts, blouses, t-shirts that I haven't seen, and if I haven't used it in a year, I'm getting in this mindset that I probably don't need it.
Don't need it. You're kind of going capsule on me. Okay, let me ask you something. Why, I understand folding the jeans. Why did you decide to fold the trousers? Is it because of lack of hanging space, or you just like that better?
That, and these are more of like a chino khaki. That
okay, so more like your cotton, not like your good wool suit trousers.
Right.
Okay.
And those will probably be hung with the jackets.
Okay.
So with that, we're getting colder weather. Probably not going to be wearing these as much, and they are an ankle length or a cropped length.
Yeah.
So these are going to be going either into storage or maybe just right here.
Okay.
In case for days like we've had in the last couple days that are balmy and almost 80 degrees.
Which you still get occasionally in Houston all the way through. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So with this, and so far what I've taken out of storage or what I've had already, I have 2 bottles of perfume, but we'll be seeing more. These little things I picked up from IKEA, and they're great to
what? Now let me see. What is it? Open on top?
It's open on top, and in this particular one,
perfect.
I have all these tanks that I put under suits, under things that are see-through, under suit jackets or cardigans. Okay. So let's get into the corner of my closet.
Okay. So corner of your closet.
I have a long hanging. I have shortened into 2 rows of short hanging. What I've decided to do is put suit jackets all together. And if they have coordinating skirts or slacks, those are with them. I have these little clips that go with them. So then I have the long hanging dresses. And
do you find it's harder when you keep the slacks and the skirt under the jacket to mix and match? You know, to remember, oh, I have this pair of pants that could be worn with other things besides this jacket, or is that what the application you're going to use is kind of for?
No, not so much, because I could look at the print and see, okay, well, this particular one doesn't have a coordinating skirt. Oh, this does.
Pretty.
But with this, you know, I have cream sweaters, colored cardigans that go over it. I have this cute little pink cardigan.
Oh, that's beautiful.
It has a skirt with it. So, I mean, it's when I'm in here and I'm thinking about what I could be doing and how I could be putting things together, it just all comes to me because it's right there. It's hanging and it's right there just for me to look at. So.
Okay, great. And then down here is where you got your tops.
Yes.
Are you going to be trading some of these out soon seasonally, or is this kind of, or is that sort of done?
I tend to always keep the short sleeve tops together and out, simply because of the suit jackets and cardigans.
Well, and you're kind of warm natured too, right?
Warm natured.
You're the opposite of me.
I will sweat in 65 degrees
Exactly.
temperature.
Whereas I'm like always freezing. So
Right.
Yeah,
so
okay.
sleeveless is good for me year round.
Okay.
And plus I love to layer.
Okay. Man,
Shoes are my life.
I've not mastered that.
So-
Oh, and you have some fabulous ones. Look at this. I am so jealous of girlfriends.
And I'm about to switch out all these fabulous sandals because we're getting a cold
for
snap.
yeah, which is awesome. Okay, so
And-
where do you keep them when they're not displayed, when they're out of season?
So I have not encountered this problem before because this is all new to me in terms of being seasonal.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it was my California closet was better equipped to have everything, or I just didn't really give it much thought. But I have a spare bedroom upstairs, and I will be putting them in plastic and stacking them away, maybe even keeping them in these apparatus.
On that apparatus,
And
yeah, to keep their shape.
What I'll bring
So you don't have the
down-
boxes, yeah.
No, I get
Okay.
rid of the boxes.
Okay.
When we did the demo and cleanup Post-Harvey, I had tons of boxes stacked up that were there because the shoes were out. And it was
they
so
just absorb the
frustrating just
water.
to throw them away, the
Yeah,
smell and
nasty,
everything. And
yeah.
that memory, just what I don't need, what I don't use is
understand.
going away.
Going away.
So-
Okay, so what are you going to do with this space? I love that you're going to make use of this high space, but what will you do with it? Do you
Well,
know?
I need to find some hat forms. All these hats that I'll be storing.
Fun idea. So you're not going to use hat boxes, you're going to use a form. I
I'll
kind of
use
like
forms. These flocked hangers,
Uh-huh.
which I prefer over the wooden hangers because I've got so much to stuff, and the wooden hangers seem to take up more space.
Take up more space? Okay. Okay.
So I have those. This has been pretty much my business casual rotation for the last few months. I've had some additions. I've sifted through some crates that I could get to and the whole storage of things to find those things that I just loved wearing all the time and could add. So my husband was so graciously offered a little bit more of his side of the closet.
Oh, nice.
Now, please don't pay attention to the wire hangers. Despite my best efforts,
Okay,
I
Jen.
cannot get him to part with them. And
No,
I
I
don't
understand.
know why.
Yeah. I
That
understand.
being said, so right now this is serving as my staging area
Okay.
as I edit to see what I can carry on to the next season.
Nice. Okay.
So right now these are more of my casual things when we step outside to go do some light shopping, go out to grab a bite.
And that's nice because those shelves are adjustable. The shelves in my
Absolutely.
closet
Absolutely.
are not. Yeah.
I even entertained some ideas of if I hadn't got the use of more of his space, of somehow putting a clothes bar, say at the highest height there.
Oh, one of those that you can pull down.
Right, and
Yeah.
then and I found them on Amazon. Those clothes rods where you go to the
Yeah.
department stores and they're pulling things down. But like I said, he loves me.
Yeah.
He
Sweet
said, "You need
Ross.
this," and he
We
looked
love
at his
Ross.
side and said, "I have too much room." And I said, "Babe, I would have loved to have this whole room if I could." But no, we're figuring it out, and I have so much more to go through and sift through. I mean, this Harvey process is going and sifting through everything, all over.
So how long did it take you? When were you finished?
When I moved down here last weekend.
Last weekend.
Last
Wow.
weekend.
Wow. And
And-
we're in November, and Harvey was September
Yes.
a year ago.
And by the grace of God and all the blessings and support of my wonderful friends and you as well, Missy, I, don't know how I would have got through this without everyone's shoulder to cry on and
Well, Lord knows
Ears
you've
to
been there
vent
for
to.
us enough times. So, my pleasure. But okay, but I'm just so happy for you because
I'm
look what
excited.
you got! Yay! I am just so appreciative to Dionne for inviting us into her closet. She has been through such a long process with this, and I am so happy for her to finally be back down in her closet and to have gotten such a beautiful closet and been able to design it just how she wants it. She has said that she will have us back after she's had a little bit of time to get settled in, so I can't wait to see how that goes. I hope for some of you this has been helpful, particularly those of you who've also been through floods, North Carolina, Florida, Puerto Rico, all over. My heart just goes out to all of you, and if anything we've shared is helpful, that really means a lot. If you've got some ideas that you can share in the comments, that would be great too. I know just going through this with other people and knowing there's other people that have been through something similar and gotten through it can often be helpful. So we will also be sharing some additional tips. I got a lot of great information from Dionne that I'll probably use for the next 2 or 3 Thursday night quick tips. So do check back for those. And in the meantime, everybody have a great week.